Ibe tingchua ilung ta pen mena na mai gu mara sam news kadai rin sa zeme ko na pumangai dale. Central government ne tingkum loi bege lungkanchi begu survey annual cleanliness survey piyong bege Indore city Madhya Pradesh ne India cleanest city India gu city roke lungkanchi lang be city lu dele. Zai pakna ven ai pak chumpe lungchi lang be city cleanest city categories gu hato Swachh Survekshan award tingkum chang na jang kai ket Surat nai Vijaya wadana lu dele. Zai Varanasi na cleanest Ganga Tongu survey Ganga Tonge lungchi lang belu dele aize Union Housing na Urban Affairs Minister na survey site ge lugai ko dele zai na lang betuze Chhattisgarh na India cleanest state India gu state ken chilang belu dele. Union Minister of Education Sri Pradhan ne znai kuru ke zeng kai kammai ge North East Education Conclaves Guwahati ge bambege ka zawai ze dagum takte ze National Education Policy tingkum chang na jang kai anui North East state ke ize apo policy tengam reme belam ge ki gai dele. Chige Assam gu Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma na North East Education Conclave ke saze Assam State na college mingyo tingum ko nalunge University gu status ngogulai za sale apo college mingyo ze Autonomous College of Lakhimpur, Nagon College, JB Law College, Johar Sibsagar College, za Handicap College apo college mingyo ze University gu status tingkum ko nalunge ngogudale za sale. Zai Assam gu Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma na saze National Education Policy tingkum sang na jang kai guze Delhi na Lucknow ga ne apo policy da circular te dolu le khane anui North Eastern state ka ne hungbi je bam le plam ane hz ko haket react se chi bam da se je ka chele. Zai apo National Education Policy tingkum chang na jang kai ka chi bene le sina me do ibege to chi bibi ra ka cheugai gu le zai apo ka chi be policy na New India India ka chi be to rang le pet kai gu de le je ka chele.
The central government and the northeastern state has to work very closely so that we can also go equally with the other states of this great country, because I don't want that northeastern region should lag behind in implementation of this policy. There is no contradiction, there is only diversity. We celebrate diversity. So those are the minor things the left liberal has created an impression in our mind that our society lives in contradiction. Left liberal has done great injustice to our education system. Through this educational policy, we can go back to basics. Assam has already made certain progress for implementing this policy. We have created a high-level committee for national education policy. The draft NEP implementation plan has been ready. Rajya Shiksha Ayog has been formed. In our next cabinet, we are going to divide our system the way in the policy it has been envisaged. We are also going ahead with setting up new university. Assam एक ऐसा प्रदेश है जो हमारा GDP का 6% हम हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन में खर्चा करता हूँ. 2022 will be very interesting from the point of view of education.
Andhra Pradesh South India state ke tingrui chize tingrui somak che tingrui zabam dege hadui nai za kisha kyogine mina hangkaming yo chai dilei zai mina high ket sia pe do lakh salary lei jeg chele. Chige Andhra Pradesh ku Chief Minister YS Jagan Mohan Reddy ne aerial survey Limbegri ne dui nai babam pe tech Kadapa Kurnool Anantapuram nai Chittor district ken kate delei je sale. Zai Andhra Pradesh government na saza apo hadui nai begina chai di mahange ex gracia kachang kang lak mingyo pe gulei je sale. Aize Indian Navy helicopters Kalimbong ne rescue na relief operation hadui nani babam ramege ngotet Kadapa district ke katu kasak hadui zai kadabram Limbegri ne pe ke bedelei. Union Minister of Textile, Commerce na Industry Sri Piyush Goyal na zinai kru ke zingkai kamai ge Manipur state hazelang na hang kyawang gai dalei. Za Union Minister Sri Piyush Goyal na wang rabe Manipur Assembly election tingkum chang na zangkai kana hang ze ne BJP party du de gum takte ga zai igu me belam ge kigulei ze news sources na salei. Za Union Minister of Textile, Commerce na Industry na hai minata ke pechi guys Moirang Infal ge Indian National Army na da kahabe ki du reite zengi bege India ma gu pe pai su lang babam ge handloom craft village lebga gulei ja sale. Union Health na Family Welfare and National Vaccination Drive gu report sai suize India ke de ge COVID-19 reu plane kap kai lumariak te ze kro ha ke chekro stroke lakhadai ka nomidu kap kai lu delei ja sale. Zai Health Ministry ने साजा इंडिया के देगे COVID-19 रहे फर्स्ट डोज कबलो लुमे रियाक क्रो रियाक्स ना स्ट्रोक ला हदाय के मधु कब बुदले इजे सेकंड डोज कबलो में क्रो हदाय सी मधु कब बुदले इजे साले आई गने न माइगु मरा सम न्यूज़ का लॉय गदले पी गाइस एंड किंगनी मले इंदु तो दले